It's Abacha time. It's Abacha time. I'm gonna introduce you to my ingredients. It's Abacha time. This is Ụgba oil bean. This is the Abacha itself. I have onions and fresh pepper. I have potash, aka account. I have grilled beef. I have nor. I have palm oil. Those are the things I will use for my Ụgba and the Abacha delicacy. The only thing missing is okaza leaves. I'll find it somewhere and add it to the whole thing. So sit back, let me enjoy my Ụgba Otaba and Abacha delicacy. Alright, I'm going to begin the process. I'm going to add some of the potash juice, so to speak, to palm oil. Alright, adding a little bit of it to the palm oil. Alright, next I'm going to add a pinch of salt to the thing. Pinch of salt, and then I'm gonna add nor, just a pinch of nor to the whole arrangement. Right, the next step in the process is to add the oil bean. The oil bean is the next step in the process, and oil bean. This is the actual Ụgba by the Igbo people. The actual Ụgba. The next process is to add the Abacha. The Abacha itself. Let's see. So this is the Abacha. Ooh. Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah, baby. So that is the Abacha. And the next is to add the onion and the fresh red pepper. Onions and fresh red pepper. Ooh. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. The next is to add my grilled beef. Oh yeah. And I'm gonna take it to the... Alright, the Abacha and Ụgba is almost ready on the stove. I think it's ready for consumption. Oh, I'm salivating already, I can't wait. This is glorious. Ooh, baby. Oh, baby. There you go. Look at that. Juicy. Alright, it's ready. It's ready for consumption. You can come join me. You can come join me. See you next time.